Figma Weave Tools and Figma Design Explained Complete Guide. Figma Weave is one of the most significant capability additions to Figma in recent years. An AI powered design intelligence layer that understands relationships between design elements at a semantic level rather than just a geometric level. Now, most Figma users encountered Weave as a feature name in a product announcement and then weren't sure what it actually changed about how they work day to day. Now, this guide explains what Weave actually does, how it's different from what Figma could do before it, and the specific tools within the Weave system that are worth incorporating into your design workflows. Now, Figma Weave is Figma's AI design system, a collection of AI powered features that understand your design at a semantic level. Now, where Figma previously treated layers as geometric objects with properties, Weave understands those layers are. It knows that a layer is a button, a card is a header, an icon, and uses that understanding to provide intelligent assistance. Now, Weave is not a text to design generator. Of course, in the sense, typing a description and getting a complete screen layout. It is more accurately described as a design intelligence system that actually makes Figma's existing capabilities much smarter. Auto layout suggestions that account for design patterns rather than just semantic context of what you're designing, and content generation that fits the design context rather than generic placeholder content. Now, the most foundational Weave capability is semantic layer recognition. Now, Figma's AI understanding of what each layer represents in a design terms. All right. So, what you can do, first of all, to get Figma Weave is you can go over to their pricing section and see the different things that they have given you. Now, of course, you can use Weave for free, but there are upper plans as well. And to start off with it, you can go over ahead and get access to it in the easiest way. Now, if you already have a Figma account as so, you can get started with Weave almost immediately. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hit login with Google, and I'm simply going to log in with my Figma account. It's really easy and it's really straightforward. So I'm simply going to verify myself as a human. And once that is done, we're simply going to hit login with Google. Now over here, you're going to get yourself authorized with Figma on the correct Google account that you have. And once we have configured everything and logged ourselves in efficiently, what's going to happen from there on out is it's going to give us the correct coexisting capabilities of getting started with Figma right as so. Now, once we have successfully logged in, there's different Figma properties. Now, where Figma previously treated layers as geometrical objects with properties, Weave understands what those layers are. It knows that layers are buttons, cards, headers, icons. Now, Weave is not a text to design generator in the sense of typing a description. It's more accurately described as a design intelligent system that pretty much makes Figma's existing capabilities smarter and auto layout suggestions that account for design patterns rather than just math component recommendations that understand the semantic context of what you're designing, and content generation that fits the design context rather than generic placeholder content. Now, the most foundational Weave capability is going to be the semantic layer recommendation. Okay, so to start things off, you can first of all go ahead and check out the tools, but I'm simply going to create a new file and get into Weave immediately. Now, Figma's AI understanding what each layer represents in design terms is semantic layer recognition. Now, when you actually go ahead and draw a rectangle inside of Figma Weave for yourself, let me show you what it actually does. So over here, you can see you have a lot of different things, a lot of different designs to work with, a lot of different features to actually match up on what you need to do. Okay. So to work along with this, you can either choose an example workflow or just start adding things by yourself as well. Okay, so there's different toolboxes of different things you can create, different shapes you can make, different types of tools that you can iterate for yourself. Now, this obviously depends on you. Now, let's say I want to go ahead and draw a rectangle, right? Or I want to draw a component. Now, what Figma is going to do is it's going to understand that it might be a card, a button, a model container, or a nav bar based on its context, size, and relationship. Now, this specific context understanding of what things are, what it needs to do, is a very good feature on Figma. It gives you the proper creative tools that you need to work along with. And you can also use different image models to create consistent things for yourself. Of course, you will need to go ahead and have the API for those models, but you can see that it has tons and tons of different things that you can, generally work with. Pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Now, Weave also includes AI content generation as, a placeholder. So as you can see, we can generate from text, we can generate from image, we can generate from video as we go on. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and use ChatGPT's, text to image prompt. Now over here, you can, pretty much choose the prompt, whatever prompt you want, and you can choose where the image gets exported to as well. That, of course, depends on you and how you choose, to input and output your demands. Moving on, you have design system suggestions through the AI chatbot according to yourself. It depends on the image editorials and how you want to, work along with different things as you go on. There's different layout, spacing, and intelligence with Weave's correct layouts and design quality checks. Now, Weave includes automated design quality checks that surface potential issues before you finish a design. That contrasts ratios that don't meet accessibility standards, inconsistent spacing that deviates from your grid, and competent instances that have been detached autonomously and amazingly. Now, Figma weaves tools like semantic recognition, content generation, design system suggestions, layout intelligence, and quality checks. These collectively make the design process more intelligent and less reliant on manual attention to detail. Now, the features work best in projects with a more established, competent library and design systems where the AI has enough context to make informed suggestions. So, enable Weave inside of your Figma settings and, start paying attention to its suggestions in your next product, and you should be good to go. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.